So simple ingredients, couple eggs, take about 1 cup of cornflakes and crush them up. Make sure you wash your hands, folks. Come on now. Okay, anyway, this is a really good little recipe. So, I'm dropping some cornflakes. It's alright, I can pick them up. Make sure the cornflakes are crushed pretty good. Just like so. Oh, I left out one ingredient. The ingredient that you're going to need is some Miracle Whip, mayo, whatever you like as your sauce. We like Velveeta cheese, but whatever block cheese you want. You want it to be cheese that you could use like for a grilled cheese type sandwich. And today we're using 100% whole grain wheat bread to make the sandwiches. This is so fun. I hope you all enjoy this recipe. Alright, so folks, it's real easy peasy. A lot of people do take the crust off the bread. Today, I'm not gonna do that. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna crack your egg. You can use a bowl, a plate, whatever, so that your egg mixture is just out here. Easy. This is just gonna be for your dipping. Okay? That's all it's gonna be for, is so that you can dip it. And you're gonna have to dip those sandwiches and turn them. Take a little fork. Y'all are probably like thinking, what in the heck are you doing off the wall pepper? This is an easy recipe. So you get your egg going just like so. Then you're going to take your bread, you're going to put it in, you're going to flip it kind of like you do with French toast, and then you're going to take your cornflakes and put them across the top of your bread, just on one side, just like that. Do it again. The main thing is you want your bread to be coated pretty good for this sandwich, just like so. Do it again. Might need another egg. We'll see. Oh no, I got plenty. Move it around. Get it in the egg really good. Like so. Take your cornflakes, put them across the top. And one more time. Main thing is for that topping to stick on there. Just like that. Flip it over. Get your cornflakes. Put them on the top again. Just like that. You're going to want to start a pan with a little bit of whatever cooking grease that you like to use, cooking oil, and get it warming up while you're making your sandwiches. These are the best thing ever, folks. Best thing ever. So get that pan warmed up. We're going to go right on over here. Go right on over there to the skillet. Now with your cheese, just cut it in chunks like you would like for a grilled cheese sandwich. Thin slices, thick slices, whatever you like. And take your batter, just drop it right in there like so. Just like that. Add your cheese. Go ahead and drop that on there and get it going. There we go. One more, we should be good to go. And put your other one across the top. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I like my grilled cheese sandwiches really nice and thick, right? So you're going to have it just like so. Then you're going to come back across, put your second piece on the top. Just like that. We're going to turn up that grease a little bit. And we're going to add more cornflakes to this one. Oh, I almost forgot before it starts. I almost forgot a step. Go figure. I've been making these forever, but you're going to want to go ahead and put your Miracle Whip right on top of your sandwich. Just like that. So it's inside and it cooks that way. Now go ahead and put that other one on the top. Your kids are going to love these. If you've never had a cheese Frenchie, it's an old recipe from a restaurant in the Midwest. And it made them famous, honestly. The restaurant was called King's. Many of you may know it, some of you may not. But this sandwich made them famous. And it is probably one of my best favorite ways that's really delicious to have a grilled cheese sandwich with a little different fling to it. So that's all there is to it. So it's easy, it's peasy, doesn't take a lot. Get it going, get it grilling. And get ready to have the absolute best sandwich ever, folks. Definitely going to want to have you a spatula to turn these bad boys. And be careful, if you have a deep fat fryer, you can cut these sandwiches in half, which I'm going to do while they're cooking. And a lot of times I take the crust off just because that's the way the recipe was originally done. I just hate wasting good food, so when I make them, sometimes I will and sometimes I won't. But it's just like a grilled cheese sandwich. Then flip it, get your cheese melting. Uh-oh, come here. And they're good with ketchup. They're definitely good with pickle. You definitely want your pickle. Ain't that right, dragonflies? Definitely gotta have you a little pickle. And then, I'm just gonna turn it down a little bit and let them get nice and tasty. Well, they already got mayo on them. You have ranch to everything, dragonflies. Well, you can have yours with ranch. I have mine with ketchup and some pickle. And today, since we got all this fruit, we're going to have fruit. Oh, we just had a power outage. We just had a little power, but zippity's doodah. Yeah, it is very, very hot. Now, I always like to... is it global warming? I like to take a couple napkins just to soak up some of the grease so that you're not just eating a grease sandwich. Oh, looky there, looky there. The best grilled cheese sandwich that you'll ever eat in your life, folks. In your life. That one I got a little too thick, so I hope it doesn't burn on me. I got the cheese a little too thick. Oh, yeah.
Break the power grid by cooking?
I might have. I might have, dragonflies. Oh, look at that, y'all. Look at that. Tasty. Oh, whoa. Best sandwich you'll ever have. Quick, easy. There we go. We got that melt going on. Look at that. Oh, yeah. And up and onto the pile. There we go. There we go. Yum. That is just about the best thing ever. The dragonfly's over here talking about she's hungry. I'm working on it, baby. I'm working. Now, it always matters. I'm one of those people, it always matters how you plate your food. So we're going to have some grapes. And we're going to have some fresh cherries. All from the farmer's market. Yeah, yum, yum. We know this is good food. All right. There you go. You're going to take that bag, beautiful sandwich, set it right on over there. Oh, look at that, y'all. Look at that delicious plate of food. Now,
Cut my grapes in half so I don't choke on them.
dragonflies, you're on your own about cutting your own grapes. Oh my goodness gracious. Now, there's nothing like it. Some dill pickle with that wonderful sandwich. And I'm telling you, plating is so important. You don't want somebody to look at the plate and go, oh my gosh, this is the worst looking plate ever. So you want to put that plate right there like that. Oh, is that a beauty? Is that a beauty? I hope you'll try this recipe at home. The cheese Frenchie, it's absolutely delicious. Put you some fresh fruit or watermelon on there. And bon appetit. Everybody, have a great day. This is Chef OTWP in the kitchen, doing the dang thing.
I said I wanna leave to see the mountains. I said I really wanted